Hey guys, Kim from Apparel Talk. Today we're going to talk about decorating a windbreaker. Let's roll that intro and dive into it. Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the Independent Windbreaker. You guys can pick this up from SNS Activewear, TSC Apparel, Mission and Printables. But this is a really nice, lightweight, zip-up windbreaker made by Independent. Okay, so this right here is 100% polyester. It says do not iron design. Alright, it says machine wash warm, tumble low dried. Alright, so it's saying do not iron design. So what their design means is, you know, this this camo right here. Anyways, there's a couple different ways to to decorate a windbreaker. Now, the thing is this is a two-tone, so camo and then black on top. They make a couple different ways you can decorate this. One of them is screen printing. Now, there's a lot of different ways to do screen printing on windbreakers. They make a universal jacket. All right, so this only works on wooden platens. Okay, you need a wooden platen. This is a universal one. So you slide this jacket on, you push this down, it has little rubber pieces right here, push it down and it makes the whole jacket really tight, so you can print. You can do, I've done up to 4 colors using the universal personally. Now also some press, you know, will also be able to, you can also get their jacket clamp. Those ones are going to cost a little bit more money. I think with that universal one that I had with the board and everything is maybe 150 bucks out the door. So that is something that works very well if you're on a low budget and you're just starting off. Universal. I have also tried another method, and that was using Supercolor blocker type transfer, and it actually stuck to the material very well. Of course, you have to bring down the heat on the heat press, but it worked very well for decorating the windbreaker. So those are just a couple different ways you guys can actually decorate your windbreakers. Again, when you screen print this, don't forget to use catalyst when in your ink. Now again, when you're using catalyst, remember, you don't put it to your whole container. So if you're printing, you know, maybe a 25 run or, you know, 40 piece run or however, you're only going to want to put the catalyst for your ink that you're using. So get a separate container, put your ink in there, add a little bit of catalyst, use the measurements properly, mix it up, put it in the screen. Do not, I repeat, do not leave that ink in the screen when you're done. That screen will be no good. You'll have to throw the screen away. You'll have to throw probably the squeegee away as well. That stuff will harden very much. And it doesn't dry very quickly, but the catalyst is made to adhere to your windbreaker. That is what you would need to do when you are printing windbreakers. So that's just a little rundown. I prefer the Independent Windbreakers myself, and in our print shop, Better Screen Printing, we do use the catalyst when we print on the Independent Windbreakers. It's just a preferred method. Do you need it? I've printed without it before and it sustained pretty well. But again, use catalyst. It will adhere to the windbreaker really well. You don't need to wipe down these independent jackets. You do not need to wipe down with alcohol. They do not put a blocker over like a weatherproofing blocker, so the ink won't adhere. So That's really nice about these ones personally, and that's the reason why here at Veteran Screen Printing we always recommend using the Independent Windbreakers. If you guys need printing done, please contact Veteran Screen Printing. Email is below. We do take orders, and we do print for companies all across the world. We actually just shipped out a couple items to Germany and as well in New Jersey. We're out of Southern California, and like always, if you guys have anything, please leave it in the comments. If you guys want to see something they haven't seen, please let us know. We're definitely here to help you guys and help this screen printing community grow as one. But like always, be safe, have fun. Until next time.